Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Walmart Careers. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in careers.walmart.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Walmart Careers website. Now click on the login section at the top right corner and then choose your appropriate department. Once you choose your work department, you will be taken into the login portal. Just enter your email address that you used while signing up for your account within the email address section and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your Walmart Careers account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot your password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Walmart Careers. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.